Hey y'all, it's been a couple weeks since I did a last video, and that was due to the heat outside and my phone cannot take the heat. It was kept shutting off, so I didn't bother trying to record anything. I decided to move indoors today, and we're going to record in a nice 78-degree house instead of 102 outside. And I'm going to make my favorite Filipino dessert, halo halo. For today's halo halo, we're going to start with some store-bought ingredients: fruit mix, white beans, and sweet coconut gel to go along with some of the other ingredients that we'll add in a few minutes. All right, we're going to start off with the fruit mix into the bowl. Mix that in there. The white beans. We got corn. And some banana. Banana. And now, the key ingredient. Ice. Shaved ice. Whoa. Shaved ice for the halo halo. And then we have a mixture of the sweet condensed milk and evaporated milk. And we pour this over the everything else. We top it off with some homemade flan my wonderful wife has made. And some ube. And then you mix it up. You get the halo halo. And this is our final product, the halo halo for the night. We added the ube ice cream at the end and a little bit more banana. It come out very, very sweet and delicious. And my whole family loved it.
A unicorn appears.
Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.